Alright guys, we are very excited to have you in this video today because we have a box full of some very exciting, fascinating, interesting stuff, and I'm not going to open this violently. I'm going to open it very nicely.
I wonder what it is.
Could be anything. Oh my
Whoa.
gosh! When you have to skate at noon and you have only a 3D printer. Oh, la, 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 la.
That is the widest skateboard in history.
Like a boat.
It is a boat. Here, you hold that. My name is Ivan Miranda. I'm from Spain. I've seen all the attempts at making a 3D printed functional skateboard, and as a big fan of your channel, Skateboarding and 3D Printing, I couldn't resist to make one. One black and one white. You'll find in the box a white and a black skateboard. Both boards are made with regular PLA in the 3D printer. I have no idea what that means. That I designed and built myself. No carbon fiber, no internal reinforcements, just regular plastic. Boom!
They're pretty thick.
They are pretty thick. The boards are the biggest size my printer can make. The black board is tougher than the white one, but also weighs more. I'm afraid that Fetty won't be able to no-slide this one.
Uh-oh. He's right.
I'm afraid that Fetty won't be able to no-slide this one, but I'd love for him to prove me wrong. Please shred them to pieces for the enjoyment of all of us, your loyal fans. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. You guys are the best. In the box, you'll find spares for the wheels and trucks in case you break any.
What?
I have a YouTube channel that you can find through ivanmiranda.com/YouTube, where I share projects like this and many more. I made it. Please break it. Thanks.
How does that work?
That's a truck.
That is a truck. That's beautiful. All right, let's go.
Ooh, I think we play a game of Don't Break the.
Oh, don't break the game of skate.
Now we're talking.
Ooh.
Don't break the fully 3D printed skateboards. My other question is, who gave the whiteboard to the man with the dirtiest hands in the world?
Who, Fetty?
Yes.
He doesn't have dirty hands.
Okay, look at his hands.
Look at his Look at his hands.
Oh my god.
The warehouse.
Wash your hands.
We're still skating.
I'm in the warehouse. Look at mine.
Where are the gloves?
That's why I have these.
I haven't gone pee all day.
That's unhealthy.
Fully 3D printed. If you break it, we
win.
get to drop this off the Braille drop onto your head.
Deal.
We're only playing with the black one. The white one is for show.
No, I'm playing with the white.
No, he said that one's weak. We're gonna play just with the black
That's
one.
why we play with the white one
No.
too.
Whoever wins the Rochambeau gets to decide which one is being skated and if you get to save one.
White one.
It's gonna break in 5 seconds.
You sure?
Yeah.
Tray flip.
Okay, go. I thought Daniel was playing. Get in here. You're last. Before we start this game of skate, I wanted to give a huge shout out to Lean Boards. They make a really, really rad, incredibly technical, awesome longboard. It's one of the best ones that we have ever skated. So huge thanks to Lean for sponsoring this video. Check out their boards, link in the description below.
Wow, the truck's actually working pretty nice. I'm going so fast.
What? No way! Are you serious?
But he broke it, so he loses.
It's still in one piece.
No way.
First try! By all appearances, it's not broken at all.
See, it doesn't sound great, but it's holding up. It sounds like Rice Krispie treats when you put them in milk.
Yes.
How did he do that?
Seriously impressive.
Thanks.
Daniel?
Uh-oh.
I'm honestly terrified to
Oh,
step
no.
on this thing. What should I try?
You have to try a tray flip.
Playing a game of skate.
Wow, that was actually really close.
Shocker.
Oh.
Is my trick
Yes, it is.
on offense?
Yep. Oh, no, no, no.
I need a cane.
Pushing down hard, but I'll try kickflip. Well, I should have just tried what I was going to try in the first place.
Just do whatever you want to do. Live your life, Uzi Walker. Relax.
The one and only trick that could be landed on this thing has been landed.
Rebate. Oh! First try?
Your trick, Daniel.
Any trick? Here we go.
Can someone power slide down the bank?
Oh, hold on. Damage report.
Oh.
That was Daniel.
See inside there?
Wow.
Looks like a spaceship. All right, let's go. That was regular. Next time it'll be fakey. Watch yourself.
Landed it.
Good.
Well done.
Oh! That's your trick.
That was my trick.
That was your trick?
Yeah. Try and do a kick turn. Please.
Tripped on the rail. Can you just not almost die for one video?
That's how I live.
I feel like we should just let Fetty 3 flip everything.
Yeah. You can't roll anymore?
No. I got you guys.
Oh! Hey, that's actually kind of scary.
It's deadly.
His gloves didn't help.
His gloves didn't help.
Oh! Oh!
Gotta get that angle, Gabe.
Oh!
I'm shocked that it hasn't fully broken in half yet, though. Oh, what?
How did you even
It
do
was
that?
fully going off the edge, and then he turned and went straight.
Uh-oh. Oh no. What happened?
Nothing. Jeez. Calm down.
No, I'm just trying to figure out what happened.
Oh no, look, this wheel.
Oh, yeah. There it is. The whole top layer came off.
Weird.
What is it made out of?
Weird. Ugh. First try, Troy. Don't let me down. Did you have to sneeze right on my kickflip?
Dude, that made me sneeze, man. I couldn't help it. I really tried to hold
First
it
try! Oh, hoots you!
That was really good, though, even though I didn't really see it.
Got him.
Dang, is that Kelly?
About to take these fools to lunch. Maybe even dinner. It's getting that time. Whoa, my lower back.
Were you thinking like the Mexican restaurant dinner or like? I really want to know what goes through your mind sometimes.
I was trying to nollie bag spin, but it didn't pop.
Oh! Oh no!
I think I pulled like whatever this is.
Oh!
I can't feel my legs.
Hold my phone. I gotta land this.
Aaron! No!
Oh, look at it.
Dissect it. I want to see.
Oh! A game is a game. Throw it off the Braille, drop it on my head. Oh,
It's
yeah.
like the inside of a Kit Kat.
Okay, well, I lost. Don't break that because I clearly broke that. So you gotta throw it at my head. Oh. That hurt a lot more than you might think.
Stop!
I'm indestructible. So now, Fetty's gonna go on the black one. Wow. This one is significantly.
Is it really?
Yes.
This is heavy.
Wait, what is the top made out of?
Fetty threw it and the nose hit the ground and just splintered.
Dude, that's so sick.
Take it in the mini ramp. We can't break this one. This one has to go on the wall. Has to be nice.
Wow! That's actually amazing.
Chill out.
Power slide down the bank.
Oh no. Okay, Fetty, I'm gonna give you 3 tries to land a laser flip. That's it.
So you're gonna have to take it off the Braille drop. Oh, you're a big baby.
You're a big dog. You're a big tough dog. All right, guys, so a huge thanks again to Lean Skateboards. Their link is in the description below. They make really, really, really rad boards that are super fun to ride, so definitely check them out. Link in the description below. A huge thanks to Ivan Miranda for 3D printing this awesome skateboard and sending it to us. If you guys have something rad that you want to make and send it to us, send us an email, skateit@brailleskateboarding.com. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. We love each and every single one of you. You guys are the absolute best. Isn't that right, Bear? Isn't that right? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, please like, leave a comment below, and I'll see you in the next video. #notification squad.